Hello everybody, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to install my No More Eye Adaption mod for GTA 5 on GTA5mods.com. So first you're going to need Open4. If you are a regular modder, then you probably already have this, but if not, you can just look up Open4 in Google and download it, and then you're going to go ahead and open it and click Windows on Grand Theft Auto 5. And then once you're in, you're going to have to go to Tools, and then it's going to be options. I mean, you're going to have options, so like you're going to open the ASI manager under Tools and then install at least these first two. This one's optional, but these first two you need to have. And it's literally you just click the button and then it's done. That's it. After that, you're going to go to your mods. I mean, if you already have a mods folder. If you don't, you're just going to go to update RPF, common, and data. And then, here, let me actually make this bigger. No, I won't. That does not help. So, update RPF, common data, and then you're going to press edit mode, yes, and then it should say copy to mods folder or show in mods folder. If you already have it in your mods folder, then you just go to the one in your mods folder and it will work fine. So you'll go mods, update RPF, common data, and then you see the visual settings.dat here. You're going to press edit mode, yes, left click, then right click, click edit, and then you're going to do Control F, adaptation, and then you're going to change these things. So what I put right here is I have these. We're going to go, and for some reason it's not actually saved, so I'm going to change it. And then copy and paste this here. Go back in here. Replace this one. Go back in here. Replace this one. And then paste. Your application threshold should be 100. You're going to copy that. Sorry, adaptation threshold. So you see this here, you can actually put it to the side as well. And then highlight, Control V, and then this should be -2. I'm going to paste that in there. And then you click save, and then you're done. And you can close out of that. If you want to do it not manually, which, I mean, I wouldn't do it automatically, like by drag and dropping, unless you don't have any other mods. Like if this is like the only mod you're doing, if you've never changed your visual settings.dat, you can just replace it with the one I gave you. But if you have a modded visual settings.dat already, then you're going to want to do it the exact way that I just did, so then it doesn't override any other things. And then yeah, that's it. For the drag and drop, that is if it's not modded. So like if you don't care about replacing your visual settings, which would be, so I have mine, I put my mod in a folder, which is the one that I put in, which I put as a RAR, so you guys could download it. Then all you do the same, go to the same path, press yes, select this, and drag it, drop it in there, and then you're good to go. But yeah, I hope this helped, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.